In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your WhatsApp channel verified. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device and sign in into your account. Now go ahead and head over to the update section of WhatsApp to be able to view the channels that you've created along with the channels that you've joined to. So as you can see in here, the difference between the channel that I've created and the channel that I've joined to is that the channel that I've created is not a verified channel. And this is because I am not a verified user of WhatsApp. And to be able to have a verified channel similar to the channel that I've joined to, which is Spotify, I will need to get my WhatsApp account verified. So as you can see in here, the Netflix channel is a verified channel since Netflix is a verified user on their WhatsApp. And to be able to become a verified user on WhatsApp, what you'll need to do is to head over into your settings by clicking on the top right corner of your screen and click on settings. Now on your settings, you'll be able to find this also from Meta section. So make sure that you connect a verified Instagram, Facebook, or Threads account to your WhatsApp account to be able to have your WhatsApp account verified and create verified channels on WhatsApp. And that is how you can simply create a verified WhatsApp channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.